To replace the taillight bulbs or housing, you'll need a Torx bit as a T15. Looks like this. You remove the 2 screws just inside the tailgate. And set them aside. This housing should be able to pull straight forward to release the tabs on the back side. You'll be able to pull the housing outward. And now that you have the housing outward, try to be careful not to scratch your paint or the lens itself. Each bulb takes a quarter turn to twist out. You can then remove the bulb and replace it with the one that you're going to put in new. And be sure to wipe any fingerprints off that might have gotten on the bulb to avoid smudging that does affect the lighting, and you want to prevent any moisture getting into these lenses. Once moisture starts, it's hard to stop it. You'll insert it flat back to the housing and give it the same quarter twist backwards from what you did before. The 2 pins that you'll be pushing back in are here and here, and it's got 2 rods that will slide into those pins, or those pins will slide into those grommets. So you will line those pins up, give it a nice firm snug push right back into its location. It might be a little bit difficult when they're fairly new or old and dry rotted, but your holes for the screws should line back up inside when the lens is totally snapped back in. You put your screws back in. It's important not to over tighten these screws. They just need to be snug. If you tighten them too much, they'll either strip very easily or break the plastic tab that they're connected to. And that's how you replace those.